Dudash. I'm your host, Michelle Dudash. Today we are at the house of Kristie Smith at the Fenix. It does have a name. Her house has a name, and we're in her bar, which is fantastic, as you can see. So welcome.
Thank you for having me.
What are we making today?
We're making the Kristie Cosmo.
Okay, so what goes in this thing?
All right, so first of all, any citrus vodka, any brand, we're gonna do shot and a half of citrus vodka. Just remember, citrus vodka is lemon, not orange.
Okay.
And then this is a blueberry, acai.
Acai. That's right.
Now this is,
I just like saying it.
This is acai flavored,
Acai.
so I don't think you're gonna get the antioxidants that you may get in other acai.
The registered dietitian says negatory. No.
Right. Okay, so then I love to support local vendors. This is Wilkes & Wilson. This is ginger simple syrup. So I've actually got ginger crystals in here. Simple syrup. We're going to do 1/8 of an ounce. This is how we're going to get our natural sweet. And that goes right in there.
That's a cool little jigger. I've never seen one with 1/8 of an ounce, actually.
There you go. And
I have to smell everything.
Perfect. These are grapefruit bitters. So we've got all these different flavors working together. A lot of people think of bitters as in, bourbon drinks. Bitters, think of bitters as spices for your drinks. They're aromatic. And we're just going to do, a couple shakes. That's all you need. Very potent.
It's like Christmas in a bottle, right?
It is.
I love it.
I love to put full fresh squeezed lime in my drink.
Fresh fruit juice makes such a difference in cocktails. Like, it really does. It'll transform anything. Oh, that's amazing. And I feel like you can't go wrong with too much lime. When in doubt, add more lime.
And of course, all Cosmos have cranberry. However, this is not cranberry juice cocktail with the sugar. This is 100%. There's only one ingredient. Read that. One ingredient.
Cranberry juice. That's it. It's just cranberries.
So you're just going to do a splash of that. It's going to give a little bit of that red color. I might have put a little bit too much.
That's okay.
All right. The perfect martini is all about the shake. You want it ice cold, okay? We actually just took these martini glasses out of the freezer, so we have chilled glasses to start with. So our little trick is we make it like this, turn it upside down, use that bar to open it right up.
You're not afraid of your stone breaking? I'd be way too paranoid.
No.
We're like, the house is to be enjoyed, people, right?
Exactly. And then we've got a few blueberries in the glass.
Woo! Look at that. Is this a afternoon size portion? We had this discussion earlier. We probably don't need the full glass of cocktail, right?
Yeah. I know this one's a little dark pink. I probably put a little bit extra crayon in there.
I have to show you up close here. Look at the color. It's so pretty. And fresh blueberries. I love it. I feel healthy just looking at this.
Yeah. Well, thanks for having me. Come by anytime.
Well, we're going to drink this. I'm Michelle Dudash. This is Dish with Dudash. Thanks so much for being on.
Yes.
Thanks for this recipe.
Thank you.
We will make sure to post the recipe down below in the comments. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.